we'll leave people with your very short elevator pitch. If they are not invested in Bitcoin, why should they invest in Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is a hedge on the government taking your money by printing too much fiat. And it doesn't feel very relevant for Americans because the dollar is typically the strongest fiat currency. But for the billion people in the world living in inflation regimes over 10%, it is highly relevant. And many of the institutional investors, will put a little sliver into emerging market equities, maybe 5% of their portfolio. That emerging market index has become very China heavy over the last few years. Meanwhile, China and the US are kind of decoupling. So we really look at Bitcoin as the emerging market asset class, something where with 1% of your portfolio, you're getting exposure to de-dollarization, weak dollar, emerging markets. You don't need to put 5% of your portfolio into an EM equity fund and have a third of that end up in China. So that's our elevator pitch for Bitcoin.